Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers from CUCKOO. Today, we will dive into the features and specifications of the CR-0675FW and CR-0675FG models. Both are designed to make your cooking experience easier and more efficient, but which one is the better choice for you? Let's find out! Both the CUCKOO CR-0675FW and CR-0675FG rice cookers are priced at $109, making them accessible options for those looking to invest in a quality rice cooker. This price point offers great value considering the advanced features both models provide. When it comes to features, the CR-0675FW boasts 13 menu modes, allowing for versatile cooking options. On the other hand, the CR-0675FG includes a delay timer and a keep warm setting, adding convenience for meal prep. Both models utilize fuzzy logic technology to ensure perfectly cooked rice every time. In terms of design, the CR-0675FW features a sleek white finish, while the CR-0675FG comes in a modern gray. Both models have a compact design, making them suitable for any kitchen countertop. Their user-friendly interfaces and non-stick inner pots enhance their appeal. In conclusion, both the CUCKOO CR-0675FW and CR-0675FG rice cookers offer excellent features and value for their price. Depending on your preference for color and specific features like the delay timer, either model could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.